ready for the last 5 minutes.
Go!
Hi, my name's Josh, and on behalf of the Snap employees, I'd like to thank Paul Dutton for the nomination for the ALS Ice Bucket Challenge. We're doing this to nominate all of our franchisees, each and every single one of you, to do the Ice Bucket Challenge. We're taking Paul up on his offer to put $10 in for each of us, and we're all going to make our own nominations as well. I know myself, I'm making a $100 donation to the ALS Foundation, and hopefully we can find a cure. Let's do this.
God takes the stick, Georgia.
Oh, it's a lot colder than you think.
Way to draw it out. That was nice.
Oh, that's cold. Yeah, it's really cold.
Come on, do the heel. Do the heel.
Oh, nice and slow. This is a money shot.
You can get stand on the steps. Yay! Nice job, guys.